we refused to let this state descend into some type of Faucian dystopia where people's freedoms are curtailed.
Hey folks, so Florida has been in the news even more than usual recently, and that's mostly due to the efforts of Governor Ron DeSantis and his administration, who seem to have based their entire policy around being as far right as possible. Case in point, DeSantis has just signed into law a bill that requires public universities to survey both faculty and students on their political beliefs, with institutions actually at risk of losing their funding if the responses are not satisfactory to the state's legislature. Now, questions on how legal this actually is, how people's privacy will or won't be protected, and just what exactly will be done with the data can all be answered with a resounding shrug and because none of those details are in the bill. And if you've been paying close attention to DeSantis' policies lately, actual details in laws are beside the point. Echoing when Florida banned critical race theory from being taught in schools, despite the fact that none of their schools were even teaching it, this ruling comes after Senator Wilton Simpson said there appear to be socialism factories in the state's public university system, despite nobody being able to name such universities or describe what makes them socialism factories. Simpson goes on to say, "We always hear about the liberal parts of the university system, and we don't hear so much of that from the college system," which really makes me think that these grown adults have confused the academic term liberal arts with political liberalism. Now, that's a really depressing thought, but hey, it's 2022, and really, we shouldn't be that surprised anymore. Well, that's all for this week. In other news, thinking of taking a trip down to the forest and wrapping yourself in plastic? Please don't, says the entire internet.